Before you spend your money on a car in the USA, there's one question you need to ask yourself. Can you really find a good, reliable car under $10,000, or is it just a trap full of hidden problems? Most people think cheap cars mean bad quality, constant repairs, and regret. But the truth is, if you know what to look for, you can find incredible value that saves you money without sacrificing reliability. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Imagine this. You're scrolling through listings, seeing hundreds of cars, different prices, different conditions. It's confusing. Some look perfect but are overpriced. Others are cheap but risky, and you're stuck wondering which one is actually worth it. Then suddenly, you find a clean, well-maintained car within your budget. It looks simple, but something about it feels right. This is where smart buying begins. The first type of car that stands out under $10,000 is the reliable sedan. These cars are everywhere, and for a good reason. They're built for daily use, designed to last, and usually come with lower maintenance costs. When you sit inside one, everything feels practical. The controls are easy, the ride is smooth, and the overall experience is stress-free. You're not trying to impress anyone, you're just making a smart decision. As you drive through city streets, you notice how comfortable it feels. It handles traffic easily, doesn't consume too much fuel, and gives you confidence. This is what most people actually need. Not speed, not luxury, but consistency. Now let's talk about the second option, the budget SUV. Many people think SUVs are always expensive, but that's not entirely true. In the used market, you can find SUVs under $10,000 that offer space, comfort, and versatility. These vehicles are perfect for families, road trips, or anyone who needs extra room. When you stand next to one, you immediately notice the size and presence. It feels stronger, more capable. You load your bags, maybe even plan a trip, and suddenly the car becomes more than just transportation. It becomes part of your lifestyle. On the road, it feels stable. You sit higher, see more, and feel more in control. It may not be the newest or the most powerful, but it does the job. And sometimes that's all you need. The third type is the fuel-efficient compact car. This is where you start saving real money. These cars are designed to consume less fuel, making them perfect for daily commuters. You stop at a gas station and realize you're spending far less than others. Over time, those savings add up, and that's the hidden advantage many people ignore. Inside, the car may feel simple, but it's practical. Everything you need is there, nothing more, nothing less. It's a reminder that you don't always need more to be satisfied. Sometimes less is better, especially when it saves you money every single day. Now let's move to something very important, the student car. If you're a student or a beginner driver, your priorities are different. You need something affordable, easy to maintain, and reliable. You don't want stress. You don't want unexpected expenses. You just want something that works. And under $10,000, there are plenty of options that fit this category perfectly. You unlock the car, sit inside, and it feels like freedom. You can go where you want, when you want, without depending on anyone. It's not just a car, it's independence. But now, let's talk about the honest side, because even in this budget, not every deal is good. Some cars look clean but hide serious problems. High mileage, poor maintenance history, or previous damage can turn a good deal into a bad investment. That's why inspection matters. You need to check everything: engine condition, transmission, interior wear, and service records. If something feels off, trust your instinct. Walk away. Another thing people often ignore is ownership cost. Even if the car is under $10,000, maintenance still matters. Some cars are cheap to buy but expensive to maintain. Parts, service, and repairs can add up quickly. So always think long-term. Ask yourself not just, can I buy this, but can I keep this? Now here's the truth most people don't talk about. The best used car is not the newest or the most stylish one, it's the one that has been taken care of. A well-maintained older car is often better than a newer one with poor history. And once you understand this, your perspective changes. You stop chasing looks and start focusing on value. And that's where smart buyers win. Over time, you start to appreciate your decision. You're not worried about constant repairs. You're not stressed about fuel costs. You're not regretting your purchase. Instead, you're enjoying a car that fits your life perfectly. And that's the real goal. So, is it possible to find the best used cars under $10,000 in the USA? Yes, but only if you're careful, patient, and smart. Don't rush. Don't get influenced by appearance. Focus on reliability, maintenance, and real-world usability. Because at the end of the day, the best car is not the most expensive one. It's the one that works for you, supports your lifestyle, and gives you peace of mind. And if you can find that under $10,000, then you've made one of the smartest decisions of your life.